Hey y'all, looks like the gas tank is going to be no good. Took it up, or drained all the fuel out of it. Took the sending unit out. Everything's completely rusted up. So we'll look at other ideas or options for that. So that's an update on the tank. And we can take a look. We got plenty of, not a lot of room, but we can do like a 12 by 12, 30-inch long aluminum tank in here. That may work. I think it's roughly about 19 gallons. Unless we can come up with some actual small semi tanks and hang on the side. Just got to do a lot of thinking on that. But to continue on with this video, we're going to be getting rid of this old wood bed. So we'll get this dry shaft off of there. And I already got some tools laid out. Should be all we need at the moment. But I'll get that dry shaft moved and I'll start working on that small head rack there. And then I'll remove that and get a few of these side pieces off and give you an update on how it's going. So we'll be right back. Alright, I had to pick up a few more tools. A lot of the wood is rotten, so all these screws and bolts are just rough to get out. And always keep your containers, your extra screw containers, because they definitely help for old screws and bolts that you want to throw away. But as you can see, I found a little bit more damage on the truck, but nothing too bad. And then there's a couple spots there on the drip rail as well. Not too bad at all. I knew I was going to do a little bit of body work, but we'll add that to the list. All right, we'll carry on and get some more of this floor, this bed floor off. Okay, here we are with about a halfway through progress. Definitely uncovering the aluminum box. I guess it was an old battery box of some sort. I haven't opened it up yet. But we're definitely getting her done. It is taking a little bit because some of the bolts are breaking. Some of them just don't want to come out, or they're rusted and been in the wood for so long. But the frame itself, I mean, there's definitely multiple layers of paint, and it's in really good shape other than the flaky paint and stuff. So I think she's going to clean up really good. And it looks like somebody's added a goose ball at the very back. Not the ideal location. Should be in front of the axle, not behind the axle, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. Like I said, I think this thing was, I know for sure it was on a farm. So there's no telling what all they've done with it. Wish they hadn't cut the back of the frame off like they did, but we'll clean it up. We'll make it all work. Still undecided on what we're going to do. I'm definitely putting a bed on, but I don't know if I'm going to do a complete flatbed or make a short ramp truck to haul some toys on. But we'll get that figured out as we go. Like I said, this is a halfway progress. We'll continue getting the other side off. All right, we Got all the wood off except for the cross pieces. We'll leave those on for the next time because we're gonna end up cutting these brackets off, clean the frame up around those brackets just to get those out of the way. But the rest of the wood actually did come off, or it came off not too bad. But here's the pile of old lumber. It definitely made a mess, so we'll need to get that cleaned up. But yeah, the frame, it looks good. It's dirty, but overall in real good shape. Yeah, I think we'll finish this episode up with what we've got done so far. But we'll continue on. Plenty more to come. We'll see you on the next one.